Welcome to this beginner's Trataka meditation session brought to you by Discover Your Positivity. Today we will do a 5-minute session focusing on a candle flame to help calm your mind and improve concentration. Find a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Ensure your back is straight but relaxed, and place the candle at eye level about 2 feet in front of you. Whether you're using the animation on screen or a real candle, I must emphasize the importance of exercising caution with and around fire. If using a physical flame, please light it now. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Close your eyes for a moment and bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and fix your gaze on the flame. Focus on the flame. Notice its color, its shape, the way it flickers. Keep your eyes steady and relaxed. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the flame. Try to blink as little as possible, but don't strain your eyes. Just observe the flame with a soft gaze. If you feel any discomfort, close your eyes for a moment and visualize the flame in your mind's eye. When you're ready, open your eyes and continue gazing at the flame. I'll return when your session is complete. Now, gently close your eyes and let the image of the flame linger in your mind. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Notice how you feel. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining this meditation session. Remember, you can practice this meditation regularly to enhance your focus and achieve a calm mind. Have a peaceful day and discover your positivity.